Breathing in, there is awareness of breathing in. Breathing out, there is awareness of breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. In, out. Fundamental societal shifts. Education and Training, Part 7. It is not what you know, but who you know. Traditional or remedial education has perhaps lost some to most of its allure for many children, especially adolescents, within the last few decades, and has been effectively replaced by social networking as a far more important learning requirement in surviving, if not outright thriving, within modern society. Establishing the many collaborative connections necessary for everyone to become successful without the seemingly overwhelming burden of having to do so totally on their own. Conflicting perspectives. Children may become distressed, confused, and, thus, exhibit behavioral issues should they learn one reality at school and perhaps a largely, if not totally different reality altogether from their parents. Become subjected to both a standardized worldview and a potentially biased or even distorted and ultimately negative societal perspective from one or both parents who themselves feel society must be experienced with tremendous fear or apprehension, unresolved anger or rage, and great sadness or despair. One in spite of the other. Perhaps the great travesty with traditional education is that the focus is almost exclusively upon conditioning one's mind towards being just another soulless cog in the world's industrial machinery, and yet leaving the heart to essentially fend for itself.